Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by fixing the environment. Update your GPU driver with a clean WHQL, install so Directx calls are supported correctly. Once done, install the Directx runtime, June 2010, and apply optional Windows updates to catch missing DLLs. Make sure you verify FIFA 19 game files in Origin or Steam to restore corrupted components. Then run the game as administrator to avoid permission-related Directx initialization failures. These steps remove the most common causes before deeper changes. You now address runtimes and in-game rendering. Repair or reinstall the Visual C++ redistributables, because missing runtime components often break Directx initialization. Then force Directx 11 or 12 in FIFA 19 config file or launcher. Switching the renderer can bypass legacy API issues. Disable any overlay utilities like GeForce Experience or Discord, since they hook into Directx. Also adjust display mode to full screen or borderless and lower resolution. You finish by doing a clean driver cycle. Use display driver uninstaller, in safe mode to remove old GPU drivers completely, then install the latest stable driver. If Directx errors continue, reinstall FIFA 19 or move the installation to a different drive to rule out file system issues. Make sure to run dxdiag and check Windows Event Viewer for exact Directx error codes. If you note a specific DLL or error number, you can target that component rather than guessing, which speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.